Hello everyone, I am Moka Ishwar, and in this video we'll be seeing the unboxing of latest gimbal launched by DJI, that is OM5, and we'll see what has improved from the previous edition OM4, and we'll see whether it is a good buy or not. So let me open it. So this is the packaging, OM5, and as you see from this image, it is having an extra extended rod for taking selfies. It is sold for 15,000 currently in India, and the major improvements it has from the previous edition is the active track is improved from 3.0 to 4.0, and the extension rod for taking selfies. Also, one more important software feature is added, that is shot guides. As you see from here, the shot guides, I heard that it will be saying what and all shots you can take while capturing the video. It will shoot them automatically. Let's see them. And this is what we get inside. It's written master every shot. And there is some paperwork. And this is the gimbal. And this is the magnetic clamp that comes with it. This is the one which will attach to the phone, and it will automatically attach to it with the magnet here. Like whenever you are shooting videos, there is no need to take your phone every time when you get a call or you need to text someone like that. And there is something inside too. Let me open it. So we get a bag too. And then there is a tripod stand for this one. And finally we have the strap and the power cable. So this makes the setup complete. You need to download DJI Mimo app to get it started. So before while the app is downloading, let me show you the processor and attach the magnetic clamp. So for this one, the red mark shows the camera direction. We should point it towards the camera. So it is set now. This is how the phone looks after attaching that one. So let me open this one now. So this is the one, and by pressing the M button, it's turned on now, and now it's really moving. Let me connect it to the mobile. So after opening the gimbal and attaching the clamp to the mobile phone, we need to attach these both. So as soon as they come together, they will be attached together. And so this is how the setup looks. And for the mobile phone setup, let me connect the tripod stand too. firstly on the bottom there is a port for attaching the tripod stand or the stand given by them. It's a groove. After we attach it, it will be standing on the stand, and it will be helpful for taking time lapses or any video recording, auto video recording. And then that's the first one, and then there are two holes here for connecting the strap which is given by them. Then when we come to top, there is a charging port here for charging this one. And since the charging topic came, this particular gimbal is around 100 grams lesser weight than the previous version OM4, and due to the reduction in weight, the charging capacity is also reduced by almost 40 to 50%, and it will run for around 7 to 8 hours on a full charge compared to 15 to 16 hours for the older version. But it's looking very light and it's easy to carry, as it's only around less than 300 grams. And then coming to other ports, okay, there is a power button here, first one, and then there is a plus and minus sliding button to zoom the camera. And there is a main button here and main circular button, and another two buttons. Okay, and there is a sliding button on the back side. This will be helpful for using some of the modes in the camera app. That's it. Totally we have 1 2 3 6 buttons on the body of the gimbal. Then when we go to top, this is the first rotating direction, this is the point, and the second rotating direction is here, one, and then the second one. The third one is on the body of the near the connecting body. This hinge is for closing the gimbal when we are traveling or when we are packing it. So that's the body. And okay, when we have another groove here on the near the connecting body, it helps us to attach some weights or anything else. So that's it about the body. So now we have seen the unboxing of this gimbal and also the Mimo app that is used for taking videos and using the gimbal to the full ability. Now to conclude, I list out the three factors that are added new in this particular gimbal. The first one is the hardware. The first one in the hardware part, it is the selfie stick rod that is added to this one. And secondly, the active track is improved from 3.0 to 4.0. And third one is the guided shots, which helps us to take different kinds of shots automatically. These three are the only major factors added. And another one is the reduction in the weight of this gimbal. It's reduced by around 25% or 100 grams from 400 to 300 grams. But the downside of this reduction is obviously the reduced duration for battery. It's only 7 to 8 hours rated now. So if you want to upgrade from 4.0 OM4 to OM5, that may not be a right choice because it's almost similar. There is no much improvement because the magnetic setup is also same and remaining everything is almost same. But if you are having OM3 or another older versions, it might be new for you because the setup is different from OM3 or OM2. And it's currently priced at 15,000 in India. Compared with all the setup like the tripod stand and the pouch and all the strap, etc. Similarly, the OM4 is around 12,000 to 13,000 previously, and now it is currently selling at 10,000. So if you are buying it for the first time, you can either choose between OM4 or OM5. Like OM5 gives you some freedom to OM5 gives you some freedom to take different shots using the upgraded software. So that's the reason I bought this OM5, and I'll give my full review of this one after using it for a while. So stay tuned. Thank you.